My name is Barrister Famous Adudubia. Today, the gathering you are seeing here, we are the IJaw people of Edo State. The IJaw people of Edo State, the clans of Egbema Kingdom, Ukomu Kingdom, Olodiama Kingdom of Edo State, gathered here to express our displeasure over the plight of the people over the plight of the IJaw people of Edo State, whom they have subjected to untold hardship over the years. NDDC is an intervention agency created to ameliorate and bring development to the people of the Niger Delta. And the IJaw people of Edo State are part of the Niger Delta. In fact, the ground of the history or the story is that the IJaw people of Edo State, they are the mainstay of the economy of Edo State. They produce the oil of Edo State. The Ukomu Forestry Reserve is in IJaw land. You talk of the Ukomu oil palm is in IJaw land. Gelegele oil is in IJaw land. Yet over decades, in fact, from the creation and inception of Edo State up to now, it is as if that the government and the people, the governance of Edo State, it is a systemic way of relegating the people of Edo State to the background. Without development, they are not in the position of leadership and anything. Now, NDDC came as an intervention agency. For the past 13 years ago, this Udo Ofunama Road project was awarded. Only 6 kilometers of that road that belongs to the IJaw people has been completed for the past 13 years. But the past the remaining 46 kilometers that belong to the IJaw people has been neglected, totally subjected to nothing up to this moment. We are pleading to the NDDC that come and intervene in the plight of the IJaw people of Edo State. We can no longer take this because we have contributed our quota to the development of Nigeria as a people. Our children cannot go to school. Our people cannot access health care. We are just in the rural area dying because our villages and our communities and our kingdom are not accessible. That is the reason why you see us here gathered here to tell and inform the entire world that our people are suffering. They should come and complete that road. That is it. Complete that road for us so that our communities can be accessible. Everything must not bow to violence. They must not make us to become violent for us to benefit in a state where we are stakeholders. Therefore, we are here appealing to the NDDC to come to the plight of the people of the Egbema Kingdom, Ukomu Kingdom, Olodiama Kingdom, Foroba Kingdom, the IJaw people of Edo State. Whoever that is sitting on the developmental project of Egbema and the IJaw people of Edo State, please, NDDC should not be complicit in this. They should not become a co-conspirator in the affairs of the people who have said that Egbema or the IJaw people of Edo State must not see light. They shouldn't be a conspirator. They should not be complicit. We have contributed enormously, both human and resources, to the development of the Edo and at large Nigeria as a whole. Thank you very much. I still remain Barrister Famous Bia.